Hello everyone, this video will be the continuation of the previous video that I have uploaded about compound interest. So in this video we will be solving some problems from the exercise that is given in your textbook. The first exercise 7.1. So the first question of the first exercise, the principal is given to 1600. The time is given 2 years and the rate is given 5%. And it is also given that the interest is compound annually. So by using the formula to calculate the interest, when the interest is compound annually, we have this formula P1 plus R divided by 100 to the power n minus 1. So putting the values, so 5 divided by 100 will be 0.05. 1 plus 0.05 will give you 1.05. Taking the square, if you multiply 2 times, it will give you 1.1025. After subtraction, you will get 0.1025. After multiplying it with 1600, it will give you 164. So this is the answer. Number 3. You have to find the difference between simple interest and the compound interest. So you have to find simple interest and the compound interest both. The principal is given 20,000, the time is given 2 years and the rate is given 12%. So simple interest we can calculate by using this formula, principal rate into time, which you have learned in lower classes, divided by 100. So it will give you 4,800. Now the interest is compound annually. So using the same formula, putting the values, so 1.12. After adding, you'll get 1.12. Taking the square and subtracting, it'll give you 0.2544, which after multiplication you'll get 5088. Now you have to find the difference between simple interest and compound interest. So subtracting will give you 288. So this will be the answer. Number 4. The principal is given 15,600, the year is given 1 year, and the rate is given 16%. And it is also given that the interest is compound half yearly. Now using the formula, when the interest is compound half yearly, this is the formula P1 plus R divided by 200 raised to the power 2n minus 1, and then putting the value. Now the value of n is 1. So it will be multiplied with 1, 2 into 1, and then 2 8 is 16 and 200 is 200. So it will be 8 divided by 100. So it will give you 0.08. After adding, you'll get 1.08. Taking the square and subtracting with 1 will give you 0.1664, which after multiplication will give you this. So this is the compound interest when it is compounded half yearly. So moving on to the next exercise 7.2. The principal is given 2,500. The time is given 1.5 year. Now this can be written as 2 into 1 plus 1, which will give you 3 divided by 2. We all know that how to deal with this type of mixed fraction, and the rate is given 8%, and the interest is compounded half yearly. So putting the using the same formula, when the interest is compounded half yearly, the value of n is 3 divided by 2. The value of n is 3 divided by 2. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, so you'll get only 3, and 2 4 is 8 and 200 is 200. So 4 divided by 100. After adding, you'll get 1.04 whole thing cube. After multiplying 3 times, you'll give you this. Subtracting, you'll give you this, and then after multiplying, you'll get 312.16. This is the compound interest. You have to find the amount as well. So the amount, by using this formula which I have given in the previous video, PR to the power 2n, the value of R is 1 plus small r divided by 200. The value of n is 3 by 2, which we have calculated. The value of n is 3 by 2. So after taking the cube root, after taking the cube of this number, it will be 1.124864. After multiplying, it will give you 22812.16. so this is the amount that you will receive at the end of 3.5 years, and this is the compound interest. Thanks for watching the video.